Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. I cannot say that this video will make your day better, but you will be more informed about what's going on in the world. Guys, this is not a drill. Things are starting to collapse around the world. More specifically, the Great British Pound. Ouch, my friends over in England. This one hurts, man. The Great British Pound just hit record lows of all time. Really freaky, really weird. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys. I mean, hey, at least XRP's up 40% in the last 7 days. And on the 4-hour chart, guys, we got one little resistance at 50 cents, kind of stopping us from continuing this pump further. Low, higher low, another higher low potentially in the making, considering that candle doesn't close for 3 more hours. Head over to the weekly chart, which, guys, we just secured an amazing candle close today. I think we will be seeing the 3-bar play on XRP. Do expect XRP this week to probably drop down to like the low 40 range, maybe high 30 range, but I'm going to say the 41, 42 cent level. I think XRP is going to drop back down there. I mean, guys, we just did something amazing on the weekly chart. The pullback's going to have to come. We got to go through the pullback. We're going to get through it. It's going to be okay. But we're going to have to probably go back down to 41, 42 cents. And then, after that weekly candle closes as a gigantic wick of weak selling, we're probably going to get that 3-bar play, and you will see XRP essentially getting back $2 per coin. So this is kind of my my next 2 candles forecast on XRP. I mean, hey, for all we know, this one could not even go down, just go straight up. But I'm just saying, to be a little realistic, it's going to pull back a little bit, 45, 44, 42, but maybe within that 7-day, span of time on the weekly chart, maybe, yeah, it does go down to here, but before the candle closes, it wicks off and blasts up because the big boys have already kind of filled this little gap that's kind of right here. It seems like, I mean, okay, we've been talking about filling gaps for a long time now, but look, dude, you go to the top of this wick, it looks like it filled this entire candle of liquidity, and guess what? There is still much more liquidity that they need to go grab because there's stop-loss trader liquidity just sitting all up in there waiting for someone to take it. So, guys, this is the 2-week forecast for XRP here. I think this does seem very likely. We're going to have to fight with old support, which is interesting. We're going to have to fight the iron wall. Remember when we were above the iron wall, conquering, dominating? I went to Korea and the freaking thing pumps to $1.40. All right. But now we got to come back and fight that level. So just keep that in mind. But hey, weekly chart, it's looking good. It's looking good. And one more chart I got to show you guys. XRP USD Bitstamp weekly, monthly, I mean. Yeah. Guys, we're looking pretty good right there. Something I've already pointed out in a previous video, but I will keep bringing this up, is look at the size of this monthly candle, the green one, what ended up happening. Look at the size of this weekly candle, look what ended up happening. Look at how very, very similar the size this monthly candle is to these ones. What could happen from there? See, we're going to break that all-time high, guys. We're going to break that all-time high. But yeah, guys, world is collapsing. It's not a drill. I mean, not the world is collapsing, but financially speaking, it looks like we're pretty much on the verge of a collapse. And quick little congratulating myself. I did put out on YouTube in 2018 all the signs that signal a global financial recession is coming. Did not get that many views, but I gathered a bunch of news sources. It was like a 30-minute video, and it was about all the countries in 2018, like all the countries, central banks all around the world were aggressively cutting interest rates, which is showing that, hey, they're trying to keep things up afloat, keep people spending money, not let the whole freaking house of cards fall down, right? But yeah, guys, it's getting weird, man. It's getting weird. This is breaking. The Great British Pound falls to $1.03, the lowest ever recorded, the lowest ever Great British Pound to US dollar price ever quoted in history. Got the charts for you guys right here. Dude, I mean, it's funny how, like, all the bankers and stuff, they call cryptocurrency a scam, and they think that using Swift for 7 days is going to be less risk than cryptocurrency, or less risk than XRP. This is the thing that Brad Garlinghouse always pointed out, is that, like, yeah, okay, you're in cryptocurrency for the transaction. You know, for if two banks want to, you know, transact money through XRP, like, okay, yeah, they're going to be exposed to XRP risk, but would you rather have XRP for 3 seconds or some random fiat currency you have no interest in for like 4 days? Like 86,000 seconds, right? Or 86,000 seconds is like 1 day, but 3 seconds versus 6-figure seconds. Like it's, I mean, dude, look what just happened with the Great British Pound here. Down 3.5%. And I know, in cryptocurrency, 3.5%, like, oh, what is that? For fiat currency, that is major. Dropping 3.5% for a fiat currency, that is like groundbreaking news right there. And that's just that one part. But I mean, let's go up the time frame here. I mean, look at what the Great British Pound did in the last, 24 hours, man. It was it was, one Great British Pound was $1.12, and it goes all the way down to $1.03 and dropped 8% in one freaking day. Now, again, in cryptocurrency, if we're dropping 8% in 1 day, dude, that is like a good day in cryptocurrency. Like, if you wake up and XRP's down 8%, it's like, hey, at least it's not down 50%. That kind of thing, right? But for a fiat currency, for one of the leading global currencies, the Great British Pound, boatloads of liquidity in Forex, wow, it dropped 8% in 1 day. That is fucking crazy. And again, I'm not from England, I'm not British, so I'm not like, the best person to give you guys this information, but what's coming up in, just about 4 days here is the use of paper banknotes in the UK ends September 30th. September 30th marks the end of an era for British money, as the Bank of England will be withdrawing the legal tender status of the paper £20 and £50 banknotes. After this date, businesses will no longer be accepting these banknotes as payment, according to the Bank of England announcement. They will be replaced by new polymer notes, or basically plastic, right? So, again, I mean, I'm sure you could find some way to tie this to XRP, because Ripple, does work with the Bank of England, but freaking air fryer, man, that thing does not shut up. The Bank of England started withdrawing the old bills from circulation when the newer polymer £10 and £20 notes were first issued in 2020 and 2021, respectively. Paper money issued by by commercial banks in Scotland and Northern Ireland is also subject to the same deadline, Bank of England stated. So basically what you have to do, if you guys, do live in England, I mean, you guys probably already know about this, don't need to hear it from an American, but on September 30th, you got to bring in the £20, £50 notes, or maybe it's all the notes. Again, just some American kid. I don't know exactly what's going on with the, the royal government over in Britain, but from what I'm hearing, it's basically all your paper notes you have to bring in to where, I'm not sure, probably bank, and then you're going to be receiving polymer notes. Maybe that did something here, or somebody big in the world is taking advantage of that upcoming information, of that uncertainty, and trying to crash the price down. But if you want some Great British Pound technical analysis, I know you didn't ask for it, but you're going to get it. I think the Great British Pound will bounce. I'm not worried about that. Don't hold any pounds personally, but I'd like to see it go back up. Because right now, let's say I want to go to England, which I have been before when I was very young, I would be getting pretty much 1-to-1 for the Great British Pound. Back when my family first visited England, and I have only like one memory of England, which is I had a Fanta for the first time. I was like 5, 6 years old, maybe 8 years old. I had a Fanta for the first time, and I'm like, oh my God, where has this been all my life? This is delicious, bro. That's the only thing I remember about England. But I remember my dad telling me that it took like $1.50 to make £1. Now it's damn near 1-to-1. And, about a few hours ago, it was very, very close to 1-to-1. Another interesting thing is that this also happened with another major currency in the world, which is the euro, which has also been dropping with the pound. Okay? Wait. The euro's less than the dollar now? Wait a second. Wait. Okay. Wait. Euro quoted in US dollars, 96 cents. Dude, the euro is less than the dollar. That is weird because, growing up, knowing about the euro, I was always like, okay, I know the pound to US dollar is very strong, but I know euro to USD was also pretty strong as well. As well, like $1.20 to $1.25 to make a euro. I mean, oh my God, yeah, there it was, $1.20 to make a euro. $1.30 to make a euro, $1.40 to make a euro. Now it's freaking below $1. Guys, that is weird that the euro and the pound are kind of both simultaneously dropping in value, man. That is a fucking weird one because if we look at the dollar index, DXY, I mean, the freaking thing's booming. So the American currency is booming like crazy. I mean, granted, it does have some resistance up here. But yeah, the US dollar is booming while the, European currencies, they're crashing, man. There's weird stuff going on. And I'm just going to say, guys, I know you got the whole bovity wovity. Don't want to say the word just in case the YouTube algorithm crawls my video and tries to find it and then, categorize this video in a weird way. But if you're an American with dollars and you want to go travel, you're getting the top tier exchange rates right now. I'm just saying. Look. US dollar, Korean won. Okay? Right now, you go to Korea, $1 gets you 1,400 won. Dude, that could feed you for a whole day in that country off of convenience store food, right? Check this out. US dollar to Japanese yen. Very, very strong against the yen. You bring $1 to Japan, you're getting 144 yen. Probably feed yourself for a day with convenience store food or vending machine food. So I'm just saying, if you want to go to Korea, Japan, England, somewhere in Europe, you are getting a damn good exchange rate right now for your travel. So I'm just saying, I know the whole wovity-bovity, but Japan's opening up next month. If you want to travel and you got money in the bank, dude, you are getting top dollar exchange rates, man. So just say, not a bad time to travel financial-wise. Okay. Guys, this is a weird one. This is happening all day today on Twitter. China coup trends on Twitter as rumors emerge about Xi Jinping's house arrest. Okay, the hashtag China coup trend on Twitter as rumors spread that President Xi Jinping was ousted and placed under house arrest. The claim has not been verified anywhere yet. Jennifer Zhang, a Chinese human rights activist, shared a video that she said was of military vehicles headed to Beijing on September 22nd. Again, I know China and rumors are they go hand in hand. There's always rumors about China going on, so don't take this too seriously. But just in, China orders state banks to buy stocks to prevent selling. Dude, guys, it seems like the freaking financial world is kind of collapsing right now. I mean, the dollar it's looking pretty strong to pretty much any major country, such as Korea, Japan, England, anywhere in Europe. The dollar is very strong right now against other currencies. The dollar index is booming. However, that could change very, very quickly. I mean, look, the dollar is even trending on Twitter here. I'm just looking at this off the spot. The dollar index is at its highest level in over 20 years, since May 2002, up 58% from its low in 2008. Okay, a little bit bullish on the U.S. dollar here. Okay, I'm liking it. Got Peter Schiff here. The British pound has just hit an all-time low against the U.S. dollar, trading below 1.05 for the first time ever. It looks like the latest round of deficient finance tax cuts will backfire, as a weak pound causes the cost of living to rise by more than the value of the tax cuts. And here's, Alex Cobb trending. I'm trending on the dollar. Hey, look, if you search in dollar on Twitter right now, go to top. I'm the third one there. Fourth one is Zero Hedge. Yeah, pound slides as much as 1.1% to 107.4, lowest since 1985. Dollar going meme stonk squeeze. So, I never say this, but the U.S. dollar seems kind of bullish right now compared to everything else. So, guys, I'm telling you, you've never been out of America before. Dude, go travel. Go get this top tier exchange rate while you can, okay? I tell you what. I know I got to bring up Korea every 5 minutes because I went there 2 times, but dude, you go to Korea for 1 month, $1,000. Take your $1,000, get 1.5 million won. You'll be eating like a king, 3 dinners per day, and probably still have enough money to cover a shitty Airbnb. Because face it, I mean, if you're going to travel in Asia, you might as well get like the shittiest Airbnb, the cheapest one, because you're going to be gone the whole time, right? I'm telling you guys, if you want to travel, if you've been having the itch to travel, you're getting top tier exchange rates right now. Okay. So one last one. This is kind of shocking. I know this whole video is not exactly tied to XRP, but this has all been kind of just financial stuff going on in the world, which does relate back to XRP. XRP booming alongside the US dollar could be interesting there. And I gotta satisfy my curiosity. Since the pound is crashing, I imagine XRP to the Great British Pound is actually booming more than the dollar chart. Maybe? No? I don't know. It's looking fairly the same. It's looking, yeah, it's looking all right. I was thinking there was going to be some like big pump or something because of the pound crashing. But anyways, guys, final one to end off the video. I know I said at the beginning, like, maybe this is not going to make your day better, but you are going to be more informed. Dude, look at this crazy thing that just happened with the police recently. Dude, so police abandoned handcuffed woman in squad car parked on tracks as train approaches. Ureni Rios Gonzalez, 20, suffered 9 broken ribs, broken arm, broken teeth, head, back, and leg injuries as cops fled. Paid leave for the cop. Dude, I'm not going to play this video right now, but if you want to go to this guy's Twitter account, watch the video. Dude, they park a squad car on train tracks, put someone in there, and a train comes, and you know what happens there. Look, I know cops, I know, like, they like to park wherever they want. They go like, yeah, I want to park here. Fuck you, I'm a cop. You can drive around me. I understand that, but train tracks, come on, dude. You can do better than that. That is risk management, my guy. You couldn't have parked, like, 10 feet more forward. Would have been fine, but get ready for that class action lawsuit. All right, guys. Thank you for watching the video today. I really appreciate it. Make sure you smash like, subscribe, check the links in the description if you like sports channel. Get yourself a Nano S, store your cryptocurrency offline. I'll see you guys in the next one.